So, gonna do a trade recap today on NQ. So, first of all, we start on the hour, or actually, we'll start with news. Today we had unemployment, retail sales, and core retail sales. So, three red folders, but as you can see, if we drop down to the smaller time frame, this was much less impactful than it has been over the past few days with the high impact news that we've had as of lately. If we go back like the past couple days, we see with CPI and PPI that we have these much larger candles that kind of ruin the entire day. So today was much better starting out. So if we go to the hourly time frame, we see first of all that we swept London session lows right here. We swept out Asia session lows that were right here. And also in Asia session, we had this really nice bullish order block. So this was basically priming my setup right here. Going down a smaller time frame, I waited for a market structure shift to the upside. I could have been a little bit more aggressive and entered down here, but I waited till up here and would have gotten stopped out either way. Typically, it my stop loss should have been like down here, but for some reason the order got filled to where it was like right here. Didn't double check that, so that was kind of on my fault. But either way, wouldn't have hit take profit regardless. Would have been more over here, more so over here, and this would have been right around like 11. So I would have not been trading anyways. But it was good to finally actually take a trade. I didn't even really care that I won or lost. It was good to actually be able to get on the charts and take a trade and have a somewhat decent setup. The past few days I've had just no setups whatsoever. I mean, we even had a liquidity sweep in a minute, so it has been a little frustrating. But I understand I lost, but I mean, followed like all my confluences. We had our liquidity sweep, we had our high time frame order block, we had a break in structure on the 1 minute, and we even to an extent had a inverse fair value gap, which was well, that would have been right there. Could have entered off of that, but yeah, it was simply just a break of structure, the market structure shift. So we had this high right here that we ended up closing above. So it was this high. This did not form a high because it was just one green candle right here. But right here was where the market structure shift was. So we created this high and got a complete closure above it. Or a break in structure either way. Is kind of what I look for. And it just didn't hit. So it is what it is. Definitely kind of, if I was keeping my eye on it over here, would have hit a take profit or something over here. But it is what it is. You're not gonna win every trade. So gonna be excited to trade tomorrow. Tomorrow, not a lot of news tomorrow. So very excited. Again, was a tough trade today, tough loss. It is what it is. I did not do a daily bias video today because I felt like shit this morning, so was not feeling the best. Did not want to get on here. I didn't get on my computer until like 9 o'clock this morning. So, uh, anyways, that's it for the day. I will be posting another TikTok video, and then I will also be making another Instagram video, another real video. So again, tough trade, tough L is what it is. Gonna be ready to go tomorrow. Emotions are pretty good because I just didn't even. It's not that I didn't care. It was just that it is what it is. So that's all.